Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only.
What's good, y'all? Welcome back to another video. So I am back. I've been gone for a long time. Like, it's been like over a month, maybe even 2 months since I posted a video, and I'm so sorry about that, y'all. I've been sick for weeks and I broke my phone, so I wasn't able to record anything. But we are back with another day in the life of a nail tech, and yeah, it is 10:08 right now. My first client is at 10:30, and she booked for a reference photo. So I guess we'll see what she comes in with, what we're gonna do. I already set up and everything, so yeah, let's just get into this first client. All right, my client is here, so let's go get her. I know, it's been a minute since you came to me.
It's been a long time.
Yeah. Okay, so what did you want to do today?
Let me show you that.
Okay, all right.
Yep.
Oh yeah, I think you sent it to me a while ago.
Yeah, this one.
Okay. And you want them short like that too?
Yeah.
Okay.
Or is that like small? All right, I'll do that.
Okay. Have you seen this that show Adolescence?
Yes, but we can rewatch it. I love it.
Okay, because my client put it on the other day, but I'm only on episode 2.
That's fine.
Okay.
Yeah, it's so good.
Because I'm like, it's good.
It's so good.
So I'm back. I'm so happy to be back, y'all. I'm so sorry for leaving y'all hanging for so long, but we're back again with the nail videos. So I'm doing a refill on her, and wait, I lied. I'm not doing a refill. This is a full set. I'm doing a full set on her, and this client, I love this client. She always loves everything I do for her. She only came to me, I think, one other time, and it's been a really long time since I've had her as a client. But she always loves my work. She always gets the cutest sets. So, yeah. Obviously, I'm using Mia's Secret monomer and Mia's Secret acrylic. I got a new brush. So, this is the Kiara Sky brush. It was kind of pricey, and I feel like it's honestly not worth it because this brush works just as good as my brush that I got off of Amazon. And that one is only like less than $20. So, I don't know if the $50 price point is worth it, but that's honestly what I realized about a lot of Kiara Sky products is that the price point does not match how good the product is, to be honest. Like, I'm fine with my Amazon stuff and my Mia Secret products, to be honest. But anyways, that's what I'm using here. And then I am going in with the same drill bit I always use, this cuticle drill bit. I honestly don't know what this is called, but as always, everything is linked in my Amazon storefront, which I will link in the description of this video in case you guys want to check out whatever I'm using. But yeah, and I always seal the cuticle with this drill bit, and then I do the underneath of the nail just to give it like that thinness at the top. I don't know how to describe it because I don't like when the nails are like thick at the top, so I always go in with this drill bit to like get rid of that thickness at the top underneath. Then for the design, she picked like this pink and orange, pink and yellow set that was really cute. So we're starting with pink Frenchies on the ring finger, and then we also did pink French on the ring finger, or was it the middle finger? No, on the ring finger. No, on the middle finger. On the middle finger, we also did pink Frenchies. And then we went ahead and we did a white French on the first finger. No, the middle finger we did pink French half, and then yellow French on the other half. And then we did white French on the first finger. Sorry, I'm forgetting what I even did for this design. But we did white French on the first finger. And then for the ring finger, we did a 3D flower. And I love these gel 3D flowers. I like the gel 3D flowers so much better than acrylic flowers just because this is so much easier to work with, because with the acrylic, it hardens obviously while you're doing the design, whereas the gel, it doesn't harden until you put it in the lamp, so you have way more like room to play with. Sorry if I'm saying like and a lot. It's been a while since I did a voiceover, y'all, and I suck at voiceovers to begin with. And then we did one of these 3D designs, like, you know, the little swipes on the Frenchies. And to be honest, I did get a gel that is specifically for this, like making 3D swipes and stuff, but I feel like it doesn't work as good as the nail glue. Like, I just use the Marquette nail glue and it works way better for me. I don't know why, I just think it looks better, but that's just my opinion. And it's also kind of hard to work with since my little UV curing light broke, and I only had it for like a week and it's already broken. So you really have to rush to get their hands in the lamp, and I hate when they stop to like look at their fingers before they go in the lamp, because I'm like, girl, it's dripping everywhere. But anyways, this is how the design turned out. So cute. All right, y'all, so I just finished with that client, and her set was so cute. A little springy type set. So her total was 85 in total, so minus the deposit was 65. So she paid me $65 plus she gave me a $5 tip. It is 12:16 right now, so my next client will be here at 1 o'clock. So I just have to clean up really quick, charge my phone up because it's about to die, and I need to record for my next client. And yeah, my next client is a refill, so I have no idea what she's gonna get, but we'll see. And yeah, let me clean up and get ready for this client now. Okay, so first of all, I have to put the tools in the barber side. I just made this barber side this morning, so I'm putting in the tools I just used plus the drill bits that I just used. They need to soak for 15 minutes. So I'll put that off to the side there. Alright, now I just gotta scoop up the little bits on the corner. So yeah, oh my gosh, I'm so hungry, but I have nothing to like eat really quick. I'm so freaking hungry. I'll probably just eat after this next client, to be honest, because yeah, hold on. All right, there's a thing. A client, okay. No problem. Sorry, there's one of my clients trying to schedule for her mom, but her schedule is like crazy, so she can't figure out like when she's trying to schedule. I'm trying to like squeeze her in, but I'm like really booked this week, so I can't. I don't really have any time to squeeze her in. It's so bad, but sorry. Okay, so yeah, I guess she rescheduled her appointment for next week, so that's fine. But yeah, I have an opening tomorrow night at 6, which is what she's scheduled for, but then I guess her mom had to work, so she can't do that. So I think I'm gonna post like tomorrow open at 6 still, y'all. So So yeah, let me go make this TikTok real quick. Well, Instagram reel, and I'll be back. Okay, so I posted my TikTok. Check me out on TikTok, y'all. If y'all follow me on TikTok. Okay. But anyways, I had to come in the bathroom to touch up my makeup real quick because y'all, my skin is so oily, like it's not even funny. It's not even funny. And I don't look good with like dewy makeup. I feel like I just look oily. There's nothing dewy about it. I mean, it works for other people, but not for me. So I need matte, y'all. Matte. Get rid of that oil. Okay? So, yeah, I don't know, like, my face being in the mask, it, like, makes my face oily for some reason. I don't know. But, yeah, I really got to go charge my phone now, so I'll be back. Okay, my client is outside, so let's go get her. Let me just turn the TV on, because for some reason, my TV keeps going to no signal every time I don't touch it, so. Alright, let's go get my client now. Okay, that's no problem.
And Apple Pay is fine, right?
Yeah. And then, what did you want to do today?
I have the picture. It's just like a pink, like a certain pink color.
Okay. So just one color?
Yeah.
Okay.
For Easter.
Okay.
This is I like the light pink.
Oh, okay. Cute. Alright. Sounds good. When you get a second, just send that photo to me so I can color match the pink.
Alright.
Now for this refill, okay, so I actually ran out of the acrylic that I used to do her nails last time, so it's actually good that she got a solid color because I didn't have to worry about if the acrylic was a little bit off. So I had to use this acrylic color that I mixed up myself, which I always be doing that. I always be mixing acrylic colors myself, but then the problem is I don't remember the exact ratio for everything that I mixed, so then I can't recreate the same exact color again and again. But then I don't find acrylic colors that I like in the exact color that I'm looking for, if that makes sense. Like, I be looking for a specific color in mind that I have, and I don't have that, like, an actual acrylic, so I have to mix and match and make my own acrylic. So that's what I did, and then I ran out of that acrylic, so I'm like, shoot, what am I gonna do? But thankfully I had another acrylic that I mixed myself, and it was similar in shade, just a little bit lighter, so that's what I ended up using. And thankfully it didn't really end up mattering that much because we painted over her nails with a solid color anyway, so thankfully it doesn't really matter. But that's what I had to do, so I'm just filling in her nails right now. And then since we're just doing a solid color, there's really not much to see. I just painted her nails with this color that I mixed myself, of course, because she had a picture of what she wanted the color to be like, and I didn't have that exact color, so I just mixed it up myself. And we did 2 coats of this color. I used Beetles gel polish white and then this like pink color to get the light pink that she wanted. And yeah, I know like people be hating on Beetles. I don't know why. I think Beetles is really good and affordable, especially like if you're a beginner. But honestly, I'm not a beginner and I still use Beetles because, to be honest, it's important not to use super expensive products, especially if you can find products that are not expensive that work, because then you can offer your clients prices that are more affordable versus if I was using like all Valentino Beauty nail supplies, because girl, I have to charge like double what I charge. But anyway, this is how the nails turned out. Okay, so I finished my second client and she just got, as you saw, a salad color. So her total was $50 in total. So I made today 50 plus, I made 115 today, so not bad. And I'm about to eat my lunch. I ordered Haven hot chicken for me and Mia, so we're about to eat lunch when it gets here, y'all. I'm so hungry.
Hi. Hi.
Mia said hi. So yeah, I'm waiting for my food to come. And I only ordered Uber Eats because I had a coupon 60% off, so I'm like, I might as well order Uber Eats. It was only $15 for me and Mia's food, so yeah.
I don't want to know we're dead. I don't want to know we're dead.
All right, and I'm about to watch Abbott Elementary because this has been my show lately. I think I'm on the 3rd season. So I'm about to watch.
Elsa on.
Yeah, you can watch Elsa. I'm watching it on my iPad. So yeah. You better watch Abbott. I was gonna edit some of this video, but I don't feel like it. I just want to watch something while my son is asleep and relax.
So I don't get a thank you for putting you next to your little boyfriend.
Like, this shit is too funny. Okay, so it is the next day and I'm at the park with my kids right now. And I was gonna make like a whole gym vlog, add it into this vlog, but I honestly forgot. So I'm gonna end this vlog now. Let me know in the comments if y'all want like more regular day in the lives, like, or adding in like what I do in a day that's not just clients. Let me know. But yeah, if you watch the end of the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and leave a little pink heart at the bottom so I know that you're a real one. Okay, bye.